Hey guys, we're playing Garten of BanBan 1, the first game, because the other one was the prequel, and it took me 2.5 hours. Here's the freaking game. I hope it doesn't lag out this time. I deleted some games, that way it would work better. I didn't know this came out in 2023. Last time we played Garten of BanBan, I got one of the achievements. For a parent looking for the. Okay. Time is a delicate matter. We got it. We got it. Yeah! Oh, who was that? Who was that? Who is that? Why is there blood on the wall? Why did the lights go out? Oh, oh. Garten of BanBan. It's like a little crappy horror game about these little guys. Oh, okay. Probably not. Okay. Yeah. This is mine. Oh, 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 oh. Fuck that chair. Okay. Oh, my dad's calling me. Anyways, back to the freaking game. I thought that said boobs. Okay. Hello? Jumbo Josh says eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. Okay, well, he is pretty large, so. Oh my god, look at the graphics. I put them on medium. I thought that would be better. Maybe it's not. Two batteries. Dear mommy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. Okay, bro's fighting a bird. Hello. Bye boy, bye boy. Yeah. Where are the batteries? Pero why does the lights keep changing colors? Not colors. Oh. One battery. Stinger Flint says having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. Okay. Ah! But I want to go this way. Fine, it's locked. Whatever. Wait. I thought that said it was locked. Oh, I can go in. It's so dark. Oh, I can't go in. Oh, it just opened this one. Hello? It's dark in there. I love how much I can see. Oh, the end is here. How do I get in there? Oh. Bambalina says, kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Okay, but I don't want to do that. Oh. Pancreas is mine. No, see, I don't think it is. So it can go through yellow or not? Where's my friend? It's stuck. It's stuck. Okay, is it unstuck? Oh my fucking god. Come on. Oh, you did it! Good job! I don't remember what it said about yellow. This. Can you not go through that? Okay, come around. Oh. Okay. Go to your settings. Go to, there should be a thing called why didn't it work? What? Oh! You already downloaded Snapchat and all that. If you have TikTok. That should not have scared me the way that it did. Guys, I'm determined to find all the secrets this time. It's not gonna happen, but I'd like to. Bro, in your camera. Can I swing? No, I can't freaking swing. Okay, cool. I'm not gonna touch that quite yet. Ball pit is closed. Oh, feed the birds 6 eggs. Okay, well I have 2. If you have transferred to the what the hell does that do? Oh, I activated that button. I'm gonna touch the bird. Do you want it on your home screen or do you want it on permanently? That was 2. 3. 4. If you press delete, it'll delete it like. Okay, I only have 4. Fort. But if you say the bird requires 2 more eggs. That's 5. 5. What the hell did that do? Oh, it's the final egg. I've got another egg for you. Choke it down. I'm so excited to go home. Where's my prize? That was all 6? Oh. Thanks. Come on. You got it. Oh, I fucking hate this thing, honestly. Like, truly, I hate it. Distraction at 1. Come on. Emergency stop. Why would I need that? Wait, do I not get on this? I'm going. I'm going. I'm going. What was my color? I don't know. Wait, I don't have that. I don't have. Wait. Hello? Where's the thing? don't know why I would do that.
It very much is 231 387.
I'm so scared. Okay, so BanBan is red. Bambolina's white. I'm not gonna cheat.
I love this.
This motherfucker's green, isn't he?
Oh my god!
Okay. She's pink.
I'm putting you on my neck.
Holy fart, I can't even see that last one. Okay, this one, I think he's blue. Or is he yellow? And then I'm gonna say this one's yellow.
Hello? Fart. Hold on.
Was that not right? Oh, look, there's a note on the floor. I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone have party without me. Miss Mason, see me go. I am scared because hole is loud and my friends screaming it, but bird is funny. Whatever that means. Should I Google it? Maybe he's blue. No, he's green. He's green. What color is my shirt? Una camisa roja. Okay, guys, I'm Googling it. Okay, blue. Oh. He did it. Oh, why is the bird coming? Why is the bird coming? Help. Hey, so why is the bird coming? Why is the bird coming? What do I do about that? What do I do about the bird? What do I do about the bird? Why is it staring at me? Why is it telling me to run? Why is it telling me to run? Why is it getting closer? Attack. Attack the bird. Ah! Oh my god! The bird's coming. Ah! How was I supposed to know it was gonna get me right there? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? I have to get over there to the emergency stop. But I can't see where I'm going.
Oh my god, they're releasing.
So I just looked up a freaking playthrough. Why is everybody else's game so much brighter than mine? I have my brightness all the way up. How am I supposed to see where I'm walking? This bird is the president of Flop Tropica. Get on with it, fugly. Why is it so dark? How is one supposed to see? How is one supposed to play? I can't even open the fucking control panel unless I'm in the game, but it doesn't actually pause, so what's the goddamn fucking point? Oh wait, I'm playing it.
Yeah, there's
Look at me running. Look at me. Ooh. Look at me go. Totally, this is me playing, guys. Wow! Did you guys see how I did that? Wow. Yeah, you gotta look back at it.
Oh, so you would have.
Ooh, let's see what's in here. Totally play this. Hmm. BTS Army!
You like Amy Winehouse? Is that what you like?
Wow. What do I do here? Wow. A ride. This is gonna be so much fun. Can't wait to get on. I love how the little thing is in the cart.
So when McDonald's is ended.
Uh-oh.
Brianna,
Yeah?
you can see the video.
Guys, don't pay attention to that bar at the bottom. That's not a YouTube video. Oh! Oh! Oh my god, that man is ginormous. Holy. Wow. Guys, I can't believe that we just finished that game. Like, wow, guys, that game was so good, and I'm so glad that we got to play it together and that we finished it. So glad that I finished it all by myself. Well, I hate that game. Yeah, no. Apparently, other people also think it's really dark, so it's kind of unplayable unless it's compatible or something. I don't know. I was reading about it on Reddit. I don't know. So I'm not gonna finish it. I don't care. I might buy the second game though. Who knows? First game was free, so I don't care that I didn't finish it. Okay, whatever. I finished it in my book.